In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in DaVinci Resolve. If you're just getting started with DaVinci Resolve, creating a project is one of the very first things you need to know. A project is basically the container for your edit, where your timeline, media organization, and settings will live. The good news is that starting a new one is very quick and simple once you know where to look. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and look down to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see the Home button there. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to the Project Management area, which is where you can view existing projects and create brand new ones. If you ever find yourself inside another editing page and need to get back to your project list, this is the easiest way to do it. Once you're in that panel, look again toward the bottom right area. You should see an option labeled New Project. Click on that to start the setup process. This is the button that tells Resolve you want to create a completely fresh project rather than open an existing one. After clicking New Project, you'll be given the option to set the project name. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to work on multiple videos. A clear project name can save you time and help you stay organized as your project library grows. You can also choose the media location. This is where the project-related media or storage path will be associated depending on how your setup is configured. It's a good idea to pick a location you'll remember and keep your files organized from the start. Staying organized early makes editing much smoother later on, especially when you begin importing footage, audio, graphics, or other assets. Once you've set the name and confirmed the media location, click Create. That's it. Your new project will be created and you'll be ready to start editing in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, before you begin importing clips, make sure your project name and storage location are correct. Fixing those details at the beginning is much easier than trying to sort things out after you've already started working. But in terms of actually creating the project itself, the process is simply click Home, select New Project, enter the name and media location, and then click Create. And that's how to create a new project in DaVinci Resolve.